Thank you for joining us. This is Chief Meteorologist Eric Tallman here in the Weather Center with a weather update. Just to let you know that we had a west to southwest wind potential today in southeast lower Michigan. Is that going to continue? Is the wind going to continue to blow? We're going to let you know about that as well in southeast lower Michigan. And what are the temperatures going to be for the 7-day forecast? Stay with us. We'll be right back with the 7-day forecast. Don't go away. Stay with us. We'll be right back. And once again, thank you for making us your number one news station in southeast lower Michigan. This is Eric Tallman. We'll be right back.